See that light? See that light?
What?
It's recording.
Remember where we're going? Huh?
I remember.
We're recording.
I know.
Just testing out my new FLiP. Yo.
Remember, you gotta put them.
You're on video cam. What are you gonna do now? It's going on YouTube.
What?
Ha.
Oh no, you didn't.
What's your screen name? Because I know you have one.
Cutie heart cutie.
I don't even think she has one.
What?
YouTube.
Oh.
Them.
Yours it starts.
Turn left. I'm just kidding.
I want to change it. I was looking around. I didn't read one.
This is in high definition, but it still looks good. There's a glare. My box. Look at that. Look at that.
Where is my box? Over there.
Video.
Oh.
Here, I found your box. Ow. Ow, that hurts. I found your box.
I could.
Add me HPD.
No, you wouldn't crush that.
Want me to?
No, it's okay.
Add me LPD on what's it called?
Where can I park right here behind the Prelude?
Huh?
Where can I park in here?
You can.
You can?
You can.
Okay, let me park here.
That's where they wanted you to park in the first place, huh? Well, they're still gonna wait for you? Cause,
Who's that? Is that mommy?
yep.
What?
Are they gonna?
What?
Trying to fix the box.
I'm going to the
Oh, that's why it's taped already.
under there.
Just testing the FLiP. Ultra, huh? Just to be exact, FLiP Ultra.
Okay, go.
Oh,
Thanks to my friend, Mr. Choco Cookies. Huh. Yep, that's his name, Mr. Choco Cookies.
Let's go in there. Come on. Abigail.
Bought it from him.
Everyone.
What? This is on video. That was caught on video.
Star Spirit.
Wait,
It's a bee.
I ain't taking that. Oh, the battery's running out.
It's a big guitar pick.
It's just the islands, yeah. Battery's gonna run out.
I'm gonna go.
Say hello to the new FLiP, guys.
Drive? You wanna drive?
Mom, say hello.
Just go inside out there. Oh, I'm just gonna go with them.
Oh yeah, there's a new FLiP.
Abby, you guys just stay inside. Not outside.
Lola. Alright, well. Bye.